Okay, number 1 on homework practice side, a drop of 200 feet. So we need to write an integer. So is that going to be a positive or a negative if it's a drop?
Negative.
Right?
Negative.
Negative. So how do I write it?
Negative 200.
Negative 200. Make sure you're filling it out exactly like I am.
Okay.
Number 2, an expansion of 3 cubic meters. So what's expansion mean? What's expansion mean? Ryan?
Positive.
Okay, it means it's getting bigger, right? So it's going to be a positive what? 3.
Plus 3.
Levante? Don't worry about over there. The material for the quiz is up here. You need to be paying attention up here. You should be writing this down because you're going to have to do these by yourself. Write them down.
Plus 10.
Or it's after school.
Positive 10.
Earn 10 points. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So positive 10. Reduce by 8 inches. Negative what?
8.
Negative 8. Okay, questions on writing integers. Okay, let's go to the next part. Graph each set of integers on a number line. So we're starting with negative 4. So I'm starting at 0. Where am I going for negative 4?
Back.
Which way? Left or right?
Left.
Left. So I'm going left to negative 4. I'm placing a dot. What about negative 3, starting from 0?
Go left.
Left, 3. What about 1, starting from 0?
Right.
Right 1. And 5.
Right 5.
Right 5. Good. So you should have 4 dots just like that on your number line.
I do. This is easy.
Good.
No, it's not.
Alright, number 6. Negative 15. Now I don't have a 0 on my number line. So where's negative 15 going to be?
Right there by foot.
All the way at the end. Or all
At
the way
this
left.
way by
No.
14?
No, all the way left.
All the way to the left.
Yep.
Good. How do you know?
Because
Because it's right behind 14. Because it's negative 14.
Okay, because here's negative 12, negative 14, so that would be 15. Where's negative 12 going?
to
To the right.
To the right of that one, right?
Done.
So there's negative 12. What about negative 9?
Behind 10. Oh.
So here?
Yeah. Yeah. Right in the middle. No, the other way.
It's got to go here. Because 8, 9, 10. And negative 2.
Wait, how does he get to this?
There's negative 2 at.
At the right.
All the way at the right down here.
So all we're doing is put the dot.
You're just putting the dot on them.
We do the rest on our own.
No. Go to number 7. 8. Where's 8 at?
Right. Right to the end.
Right? All the way to the end?
No. That's one away from there.
1 away from the end. Good. What about 3?
3 is to the middle right. Between 2 and 4.
Good. Between the 2 and the 4.
On the right side.
Negative 7. Where's negative 7 going?
Between 8 and left.
Between the 8 and the 6. Good. And the negative 5.
Between 4 and 6.
Good. Alright, let's look at number 8. Negative 14.
Between 12 and 15.
Which one between 12 and 15?
One right next to 15.
Right next to 15. Good. What about negative 7?
Between 9 and 6. The one right next to 6.
Good.
On the left side.
What about 10?
On the right. 10 is on the right next to the 9 on the left side.
Good. And negative 1?
Negative 1 is right behind the left.
Alright. Questions on graphing on the number line?
No.
Hey, let's go down to your absolute value. Absolute value of 31. absolute value of 31 is what?
That's positive.
Positive what?
31.
31 plus the absolute value of negative 5.
So you do 5 minus 31.
Not 5 minus. Absolute value of 5?
Negative 5.
Negative 5.
Careful.
Positive 5.
Positive 5. So 31 plus 30, or 31 plus 5?
36.
36.
Now I see why you don't want to get ahead.
Go to number 10. Absolute value of negative 16 is what?
Oh, positive 16.
Positive 16 minus absolute value of 4.
4.
So 16 minus 4?
8.
12.
12.
I got that anyway.
Number 11. Absolute value of negative 28.
28.
28 minus the absolute value of negative 1.
27.
1. So 28 minus 1?
27.
27. Ooh, number 12 is a little bit difficult. Absolute value of 11 minus 2. So with an inside like that, you have to solve it first. So what's 11 minus 2?
9.
9. So I'm finding the absolute value of 9, which is
Wait.
absolute value of 9.
191.
That's my absolute value. That's my bars, because I hadn't solved that yet.
Oh.
I just solved the inside.
That's a positive.
So absolute value of 9 is 9. Number 13, absolute value of 44.
44.
44 plus the absolute value of negative 34.
Negative 34.
Careful.
Oh, it's
34.
34. So 44 plus 34?
78.
78. Good. Number 14, the absolute value of negative 101. 101 minus absolute value of negative 1? 1. So 101 minus 1? 100. Not funny.
That's not right. Oh.
Hey, number 15. Miss Solario's small business had a profit of $460 on Monday. Write an integer to represent this profit. So what's profit mean?
Like how much you get.
How much you made, right? So is it going to be a positive or a negative 460?
Positive.
Positive. So it should be a positive 460 there. Yep. Number 16. The end of a cave is 380 meters below the surface of the earth. Write an integer to represent this depth. Negative. How do you know it's negative?
Because it goes below.
Below.
You're taking it away. Oh.
Below.
I heard that.
Hey, number 17. The low temperatures for 3 consecutive days were negative 5, 3, and 4. Which temperature has the greatest absolute value?
Negative.
So I need to take the absolute value of each of these numbers. So what's the absolute value of negative 5?
5.
What's the absolute value of 3?
5. Or 3.
What's the absolute value of 4?
4.
So which one has the greatest value?
5.
5. So negative 5 should be your answer there. And number 18. The lowest elevation in New Orleans, Louisiana is negative 8 feet. The lowest elevation in Long Beach, California is negative 7 feet. Which city has the lower elevation?
Negative 7.
Careful.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Remember, negative 8 is actually deeper than negative 7. Okay? If you owe somebody $8 versus 7, 8 is more when it's talking negative.
It is?
Hmm? We've gone over this.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, on the back, I'm going to give you about 10 minutes to do the back side. Okay, so you got about 30 seconds per problem to get the back side done. We're checking it, and we have one more thing to review before your quiz tomorrow. So go ahead and get to work.